Hello, my name is Cass Calloway. I serve as the judge for the city of Glen Heights, and I am so glad that you're here at our website to learn about what options are available for your case or cases. As a judge, it's my job and my responsibility to make sure every defendant gets treated fairly in our court. And one of the parts of people being treated fairly is that they know of what options are available and they're educated about everything about their case so that they can make good decisions. And so with this video, I'm going to do my best to explain those options. First and foremost, these are all criminal cases, so everyone has a right to plead not guilty. With the plea of not guilty, you're asking the court to go to trial and to have a full contested hearing. You would come to the court and there would be a prosecuting attorney and there would be a contested hearing on the issue of whether you committed the offense or not. All people are innocent until proven guilty, and the state of Texas does have the burden of proving the case beyond a reasonable doubt. If you today are pleading not guilty and asking for trial, then simply fill the form out below and enter that plea of not guilty. Court staff would then schedule you for court and for you to make an appearance. Other options available are you can enter a plea of no contest or guilty and do what's known as deferred disposition. Deferred disposition is a path forward for your case to be dismissed, and with that dismissal for your case or cases for the charge not to go on your record. And with deferred disposition, it is very simple to accomplish. With your plea, you would then be ordered not to get any new offenses, no new criminal actions in the city of Glen Heights while you're on deferred. You would also be required to satisfy the fine and court costs. And so with deferred, if you have satisfied the fine and court costs and have not gotten new offenses, automatically at the conclusion, your case would be dismissed and not go on your record. With deferred disposition, there are times when people may need more time to pay. And if you do need more time to pay, the court can grant you an extension. With that, if you do need an extension to pay, please, in the form below, let the court staff know that. For instance, if you need 30 days or 60 days or 90 days, and the court staff will make your deferred work to allow for that time to pay. Now, with deferred disposition, if you have completed everything you're supposed to, you don't ever have to go to court. You can handle all of it remotely with the court staff by email, by mail, and by phone. And with deferred disposition at the conclusion, you don't have to come to court. The dismissal is automatic. Now, another option available for your case or cases is if all of this is a little bit too much and you want some legal advice, you always have the ability on all criminal cases to seek out the legal advice, the help of an attorney. And you can simply go hire an attorney and have them handle your case with our court. We have a lot of attorneys that come monthly to our court and handle cases for defendants. If you choose to do that, you would need to go hire an attorney, fill out the form below and let the court staff know that that's what you're doing, and then the attorney's office will notify the court by a letter of representation. With our attorney cases, the attorney would come to court on your behalf, and unless there's a trial, you would not need to appear at the court. Now, the fourth and final option is if you don't want to go to trial, and you don't want to do the deferred disposition, and you don't want to hire an attorney, and you simply want to just pay your violation, and you don't mind that it goes on your record, you can simply plead guilty and then pay the fine and court costs through our online portal. If you choose that last option, the case does go on your record, and it does become what's known as a conviction. And so those are the basic four options. If you have any questions about those four options, please do ask the court staff and by filling the form below. Now, when you do fill the form below, if there are any documents, for instance, an insurance proof or proof that you've gotten registration, etc., please do attach those here. Please also attach a copy of your driver's license so court staff will be able to look you up in our system and be able to prove that, in fact, you are handling the case and that it's your citation. It's also helpful to the court staff if you take a picture of your citation. The citation ticket writers sometimes take several days to get over to the court system, and if you take a picture and include that with your submission of the form, they will be able to look it up a lot easier and be able to respond to you much quicker. Now, always, if you also have questions, you can call to the court and you can search for us on our website, our phone number, as well as go on Google Maps and connect that way. Thank you for again watching this video. Our court strives very hard to treat everyone fairly and to make sure to be quick about it and to get you back on your way. And we'll try to do that with your case and or cases. Thank you again, and we look forward to handling your case and serving you.